Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to be a host on Bigo Live. So if you also want to be a host on Bigo Live, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bigo Live application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface initially. You're in the live interface. What you have to do is switch to Me interface. Simply tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. At first you'll be able to find the option for Creator Center. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the Creator Center interface. At top you'll be able to find three options: Live, Video and Agency. Make sure Live is selected. Now find the option for Apply for Official Hosts. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here several agencies will be displayed. All you have to do is tap on the Apply option right next to the agency that you want to select. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the Join option. Now at bottom this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the Confirm option. Now you can see over here your request has been submitted. Now your submission will be reviewed and after that you'll be able to sign in as host. So that is how to be a host on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.